Scott Ritter, a former United Nations weapons inspector and geopolitical analyst, recently weighed in on the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia in an article for the Sputnik Globe. In his article, Ritter discusses the possibility of Ukraine launching a counteroffensive against Russia, and whether such a move is feasible or simply a myth. Ritter argues that a Ukrainian counteroffensive is unlikely to succeed, due to several factors. First, Ukraine's military capabilities are limited, and the country is not equipped to fight a full-scale war against Russia. Second, Russia has a significant military advantage, with superior technology, training, and equipment. Finally, Ukraine is politically divided, with some factions advocating for a peaceful resolution to the conflict, while others are pushing for a more aggressive approach. Despite these challenges, Ritter notes that Ukraine could still attempt a counteroffensive, particularly if they receive significant military and political support from the United States and its allies. However, Ritter warns that such a move could have catastrophic consequences, potentially leading to a wider conflict that could destabilize the entire region. Ritter concludes his article by stating that a peaceful resolution to the conflict is the only viable option for both Ukraine and Russia. He argues that both sides need to engage in dialogue and negotiate a settlement that addresses the underlying issues and concerns. Only then, he says, can the region move forward and avoid the dangers of a wider conflict.